So this is one of those cool little knee scooters, you know, for someone when they have a foot injury and they can't walk and they scoot around like this. But there's some kind of strange issue. So the rear wheel sticks. It doesn't scoot. It rolls just part way and then it sticks. But it's fixable. I think what I need to do is take this apart, get in here. This is the brake mechanism. I'm not quite sure how it works. But something's in there, in the axle or in the brake, and it's jamming this. It goes and then it just sticks. It looks like right here, this brake shoe is like touching the drum. See how the shoe here is caught on the outside of the housing? It's supposed to release and set into this, and and seat back inside of this when you let go of the brake, and it's not, so it's still rubbing on the drum over here. I'll see if I can break this down and figure out what's going on. I'm going to remove this wheel so I have a clear view and get to this drum so I can figure out what's going on with that. It looks like this is held on with a threaded bolt that takes an Allen wrench. Yeah, that's all that is. Okay, it's coming out. Oh, good. All right. There's a washer and lock washer down in here. Okay, I'm going to look at how all this goes together. All right, so that'll set aside. What's going on? Oh, this is a bushing, just a spacer bushing. And here's our drum, our brake drum. We can get that out of there somehow. Yeah, that's easy. All right, now I can see the brake shoe in here. So here's basically what happened. See how the lever pulls the brake shoe into a smaller circle, and then this got up that way against the housing, and then it was rubbing on the drum, not allowing the drum to turn freely. So you can see there's a ton of play in this thing. It's wiggling all around. And this slides back and forth. That's a good 1/8 of an inch or so. So how do we keep that in place so that it doesn't pop out here again? I think I need some kind of like little spacer or something to go around this to keep this from sliding. Keep that brake shoe to the inside of the drum. I've got these little snap clips, and I thought I can snap them, 1 or 2 of them or 3, we'll see. If I can snap that around, if that circle can go around the shaft under there and act as a spacer to fill that space, that would prevent this from sliding and catching over here on the housing again, I think. Let's see if we can't insert these snap clips in here. I don't know what diameter that shaft is. I'm not trying to measure it in any way. It's like there's really something restricting it from going in there. There. First we get a hold of that leg. Push it and pull at the same time. Okay. Both those clips are snapped around that shaft, which means this doesn't have near as much play now to slide left and right. So perhaps that'll help keep it in the housing. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. The legs of those little clips shouldn't hurt anything sticking out that way because there's nothing there to interfere with. So now it's just a matter of putting this, or reassembling this drum. Let's see, these pieces, if you want to see what that was, there's a lock washer, a flat washer, and then like this housing that goes over the plastic spokes of the wheel. And then this bolt that has an Allen recessed head in there for driving it. Like that. Okay. Yeah, that works now. Fixed it.